Hello all, this is Nikum and welcome to latest government job updates in English. So from DRDO there is biggest vacancy of 2022, that is total 1075 vacancies are there for senior technical assistant, which is group B position. Approximately you will get 7.5 lakh per annum. If you complete your BSc, diploma and after diploma BE Tech, then you are eligible for this post, and all the branches, all the subjects and all the disciplines are eligible for this vacancy. Now we will see detailed information. So let's start our video. So as always, what we see, important point. So first important point is, if you are from general, EWS and OBC, then 60% aggregate you should have in your BSc and diploma. Okay. If you are from SC, ST, PWD, then 50% aggregate you should have in your diploma and BSc. Process will be CBT1 plus CBT2, and CBT1 will only play important role in your screening only. Okay. And your final selection is depend on CBT2. Then posting will be based on your preference. So definitely when form will active, I will show you how to give preference and everything. Okay. So based on your preference, you will get posting in your state or nearest state also. And exam center list is given. So no need to worry for that. Now for different posts, multiple branches are eligible. So yes, you can fill more than one form. Okay. But there are possibility that your exam may get clashed on the same date. So it's your responsibility totally. DRDO will not intervene in it. From CBT1, total 1:8 ratio candidates will go in CBT2. Okay, so this is the ratio for shortlisting from CBT1 to CBT2. Now you can see the exam center list in front of you. So just check whether your exam center is nearby or not. Age limit cutoff date is 23rd of September 2022. Age limit is 28 for General EWS, OBC 31, SST 33, PW 38 General, OBC 41 and SST 43. Important day. So form will start on 3rd September 2022. I will upload the form filling video on 3rd September. Okay, please watch that video properly so that you will not face any difficulty in document verification. It will end on 23rd of September 2022. And about exam date, so no need to worry, as you know that I will give you information soon. Fees will be 100 rupees for general, OBC and EWS, and for other SST, PWD there is no fee. Now most important thing, exam pattern. So first your CBT1 is there, okay, which is used for screening. In CBT1, basically we have non-technical portion. You can see here aptitude, general awareness. Okay, here we can add science also. Then English and reasoning. And total 120 questions for 120 marks. Total duration 90 minutes. Negative marking. There is no negative marking. Biggest positive news again for you guys. So there is no negative marking, and paper languages English and Hindi. Okay, so this is all about CBT1. And if you crack CBT1, then you will go to CBT2, where you will face only and only technical questions. Okay, total 100 questions, 90 minutes, and total 100 marks you will get. Negative marking, there is no negative marking again. Okay, and paper languages English and Hindi. Now most important, so vacancy wise breakdown. Okay, so I will show you that. Okay, please watch carefully now. So for agriculture post or subject or discipline, those who complete BSc degree, okay, they are eligible, and total 10 vacancies are there. If you complete diploma in automobile and mechanical, so total 15 vacancies are there for you guys, and you can see categories also here. Okay, I will not dictate. BSc degree in botany, so you have 3 vacancies. Then diploma in chemical engineers, you have 35 vacancies. BSc degree in chemistry, you have 58 vacancies. Those who complete diploma in civil engineering, you have 25 vacancies. Now those who have BSc degree in computer science or diploma in computer science and IT, you have 167 vacancies. Okay, big number. Then the diploma in electrical and electronics, you have total 17 vacancies. Then diploma in electrical engineering, total 68 vacancies are there. Then if you complete your diploma in ENI, then you have 31 vacancies. Again for telecom and communication, total 192 vacancies, big number again. Those who complete BSc degree in instrumentation or diploma in instrumentation, you have 17 vacancies. Okay. Then library science, 23 vacancies. Mathematics, 13 vacancies. Then again for the mechanical, always there are lots of vacancies. So 294 total vacancies are there for mechanical engineering. Then for metallurgy, 21 vacancies. Then BSc in medical, 16. Then photography, 8 vacancies. Physics, 22. Printing, 5. Psychology, 11. Textile, 5. And zoology, 9 vacancies. Okay, so like this you have total 1075 vacancies. So after giving lots of selections in past 8 months, now my target is DRDO September 10 vacancy, that is this senior technical post. Okay, so get ready for that. We will prepare together and we will try at least total 500 plus vacancies we will secure from Apna Government Job channel. Okay, so if you have any query, any doubt regarding notification, regarding anything, you can comment down below. And if you want to ask me anything personally, then you can DM me on Instagram. Okay, don't forget to join Telegram channel, which is most important for you. And now we will start our strategy videos, and on 3rd September I will meet you in the form filling video. All the best.